And a news break that's coming in from Gujarat, another drug bust that has taken place near border area of Kutch, from where 120 kgs of cocaine has been seized. A mega seizure near border area of Kutch. 120 kgs of cocaine has been seized by the Gujarat ATS. The visuals of which is on your screens. 120 kgs of drugs that have been seized. This is along the border area of Kutch, from where the Gujarat police has made this massive seizure. We will try and get more details, but a crackdown on narco terror that continues pan-India, and days after drugs amounting to more than 5,000 crore rupees was seized in the national capital. Another mega seizure that's been made by the Gujarat police. This is near Kutch, where 120 kgs of drugs have been seized by the state police. We'll try and get more details in just a bit, but this is a pan-India crackdown on narco terror, which continues. There have been massive seizures since last week. The first mega seizure was, of course, in the national capital, where drugs amounting to 5,600 crore rupees were seized. The second in Bhopal yesterday, where drugs amounting to crores was seized in a joint operation by the Delhi police and the Gujarat cops. And the third, of course, being near the Kutch border, where 120 kgs of cocaine has been seized by the police. Let's go across to Priyanka. All right, we will try and connect with Priyanka in just a bit. But yes, the crackdown on narco terror, which continues across the country. First, the massive seizure that was made by the Delhi police. Drugs amounting to over 5,000 crore rupees was seized. The second being in Bhopal, where a drug factory was busted, illegal drug factory. And the third being near Kutch, where 120 kg of cocaine has been recovered.
सर, हा माझा सीव्ही.
तुमचा सीव्ही खूप चांगला आहे, पण आम्ही फ्रेशर्सना काम देऊ शकत नाही.
आई वडिलांच्या या इच्छा आम्ही कधी पूर्ण करू शकेन का?
शिक्षण आणि प्रशिक्षण घेतो, परिश्रमाचे वेतन घेतो, नव्या महाराष्ट्राचा घेतो विचार, कुशल युवकांचे स्वप्न साकार.
कुशल महाराष्ट्र, संपन्न महाराष्ट्र.
Let's go across to Priyanka. She's joining us live from Ahmedabad. Priyanka, massive seizure, of course, but give us more details about the intel that was received and the consequent seizure, which is approximately 120 kg by the Gujarat police.
Well, that's true, Samiksha. In fact, this is 11 kgs of cocaine that has been seized. And the value in the international market is that of 120 crores. And interesting to note in this case is that the packages in which the entire narcotics had been wrapped was covered in the writings in Urdu. And we have seen that the investigation that is being conducted by the Superintendent of Police of Kutch East, he has stated that they have found links that these narcotics were being brought in from Pakistan, as this is something that had been seized from near the border. And that is why further investigation in that matter is also being carried out. But as of now, they have seized these consignment of narcotics, which is coming to about 120 crore rupees in the international market of cocaine that has now been also seized. Of course, they are going to also be taking the sampling and checking the purity of it, and then later on also be investigating into the entire nexus, because specifically how it is being seized from near the border is a point of concern for the entire agency, and they are going to be looking into those angles. They are also trying to carry out the combing operation to make sure that the accused who had been bringing these narcotic consignments inside of the Indian soil via the Kutch border, they are also in the nearby areas or not. So those kind of investigation is being conducted by the Kutch police.
All right, Priyanka, thank you for the moment. We will keep coming back to you. So, Priyanka, they're getting us important details. Drugs amounting to over 120 crore rupees that has been seized by the Gujarat police.